Are we live? Yes, we are! I am back! Welcome! Alright, let me just tweet out the stream. Hold on. Hey, Dada, welcome! Welcome! Can you hear me okay? Is something overpowering something? The usual questions. I'm gonna put the headset down. I am going to make myself a drink, and that's it. Let's get started. I will be right back. Be right back. Hey, Sakura! Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I'm just gonna... Alright, I'm gonna put the headset down. Be right back. After that epic, awesome intro, welcome Vladimir. Nice to have you all here. I am about to continue where I left off. I have no idea if I'm halfway through the game or almost finished the game. I have no idea, but let's find out. There's a few things that I want to check before we get started, before we continue. Yeah, it's nighttime. Okay, I want to check to see if I received a Pokemon. I've made a request online for a Pokemon. Let's see if they sent it to me. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. I don't know. Let's see. Yep. No, this is Wonder Trade. Where I'm going? I'm blanking out right now. That's not what I'm after. Hold on, because I've been doing a lot of Wonder Trade. Let's see if I received it. Hold on. Is the stream quality okay? Let me just check real quick. Yes, it is. The Pokemon you deposited was traded. Oh my goodness, guys! I received a Vulpix. I received this. I hope it's another one Vulpix, please. I hope it's a white Vulpix. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yes! Yes! Oh my goodness! I have an Alolan Vulpix. This is legend. Alright, I am going to... This is going to my team. I don't care what it takes. This is going to my team. Now I have to quickly include it to my team. Just bear with me. Save image as... Saving... Number 37. Number 37. So, I'm going to add this real quick. Bear with me. I am so excited. Add... image. So, that's a Vulpix. So cute. I love him. He's originally supposed to be fire type, but in this region, for some reason, he is ice type. So he's going there. Come to Papa. Come to me. There you go. Ah, so cute. There he is. And that completes my team almost. Now I'm looking for a flying type. I don't know which one's gonna be, but it's gonna happen very soon. I think. Vulpix data will be added to the Pokédex. Let's see what it says. Thank you to whoever sent it. In hot weather, this Pokemon makes ice shards with its 6 tails and sprays them around to cool itself off. Interesting! Let's make it move. Let's make it move. Oh. That's so cute. Alright, so that's one. Looks like my team is almost done. Oh, come on. Now, let's just check the Pokemon we received. Let's see what it's like, what it says, what it does, and everything. Wow, it's level 45! Oh, level 45! It's a male? Summary, what are the moves? Ice Beam, Imprison, Blizzard, Grudge. Oh my goodness! This is fully trained. This is fully trained. I don't care. This is gonna be my Pokemon. This is the strongest Pokemon I have now. Oh my. So cute. Alright. We're done. I'm gonna check something else actually. Let me check the QR codes. You see, the thing is this. If I manage to scan 10 QR codes, I'll be able to scan the island. Hey Sarania, welcome! Nice to see you. If I scan 10 QR codes, which by the way I have a website with hundreds of them, so it's not going to be a problem scanning the QR codes. If I manage to scan 10 of them, it will scan the whole island for a very rare Pokemon. The starters, the Johto starters. And I wanted to try it out today, and it works. But I scanned the wrong island, and I'm like, that's fine, I'll do it again. But oops, it refreshes every 20 hours, so I'm gonna check if it refreshed since then. No, oh wait. There's another 2 hours to go, you see? At the... You can't really see actually. Yeah, yes you can, it's the top screen. You see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... There's 9 magnets that are fully blue. And there's one that is not full yet. It needs to turn... That's another 2 hours then. It's gonna take another 2 hours. In 2 hours time I can scan 10 codes. And we can scan for a rare Pokemon. In the meantime, let's continue the game. Let's go. Are my Pokemon fine? Let's see if they're okay. Nope, they need healing badly. Wow, what did I do to them? Poor guys, let's go heal them. So, you're up late. Nurse Joy knows that I'm up late. You know what I also like about my Vulpix that I received? The Pokeball is white. I don't know what type of Pokeball that is, but it's white, as you can see at the bottom screen on the right hand side for you. It's white. The Pokeball is white. It's gorgeous. Anyway. Pikachu, I love Pokemon! Welcome, nice to see you. Look what I got! Look what I got! Oh well, since you're here and you love Pokemon, I'm gonna show you something else. Look what else I got. Look what else I got. I got me a rare Pokemon called... Oh, summary. Look what I got. I got me a Chikorita. I'm hunting the Johto starters, and as I was saying, once I can scan 10 more codes during this playthrough, I will be scanning the island again for another Johto starter, so at least I'll have 2 out of 3. We'll see. We shall see. Now let's go. Let's get us some battles. Just like you, Vloggy White. So beautiful. What? I don't consider myself, well, I mean Europeans, Mediterranean, but I don't consider myself white. We have a tan here. It was so hilarious today. Outbreak was so hilarious. I really enjoyed it. Sup, lady? Oh, looks like a Trigo, eh? I got a favor to ask of you. Please! Please, everybody's asking me for favors. I'd be happy to help. Route 10 here is a long and wide. It's a great place to let your Pokemon play a bit. My stuff will help me get my here, so I let them out our Pokeballs to have them around a bit. What? But they haven't come back. I won't go look for them, but it's too hard for an old lady like me to trapeze around. If you find out my little Stuffle, you just tell them to come back to me, alright? They're impish creatures, but smart as a cookie, and with noses that could sniff out anything. They'll find their way back home to me. Will you help me find myself? I'm gonna say sure. I've got 8 Stuffle. First you told me it's a Stuffle, now it's 8 of them. I don't like that. Are you getting the game tomorrow? Awesome. Are you a streamer? Are you gonna stream it? Son, good choice. Good choice because I love Vulpix, the white Vulpix. I mean, I managed to get it through Undertrade finally. Other than that. Anyway, let's continue. Maybe they're hiding? I don't know. We'll see. In the meantime, let's have some Pokemon battles. Someone's in here. Uh-oh. No, that's not the Pokemon she was looking for. Fearow! Quack, quack. Should I attack or should I just run away? I want to run away, but I don't think it's gonna let me. You couldn't get away. What is wrong with these Pokemon? They won't let you get away. Okay, I got away safely now. He's not gonna battle me. This guy. The ridiculous power at the scene of a fire. Let's go! I did a bunch of Wonder Trade today. It got me nowhere, to be honest with you, Pikachu. So I don't know. Poliwhirl. Is Poliwhirl fighting type? We're about to find out. Can you save before the island scan and soft reset till you get the Pokemon you want? Ooh, that is very interesting, Samcrow. That is very interesting. Had to factory reset my PC because I messed up the Outbreak Simulator download. Oh wow, that's not good. Did you follow the step-by-step on the tutorial on the forum? Because it's really good. Let's see if Psychic works out. Rain Dance. He's not a fighting type at this stage, no. His defense fell. I'm gonna switch. Ouch, body slam. Giga Drain! I will see if I can soft reset. It's very interesting. I'm one code away. I need to scan one more code and we'll do it. I mean, one more code. I need 10 codes to scan. Right now I have 9 available. Paralyze heal. Oh, okay. Well, to talk in stream is very easy. It's very easy. You just say stuff, like me. You just say stuff. What you need is the equipment to actually stream, to record the game. Okay, something jumped out of these berries. Ah, these crab brawlers. Now, since they're fighting type, they're gonna get it from my Psyduck. I was reading somewhere that the chances of getting a shiny has increased, by the way, when they call out for help, when they call out for assistance, apparently. And that's how I got my Psyduck, when a Psyduck called for a help, and the Psyduck that showed up was actually shiny. So maybe that's what that was it, I don't know. Bye, Crab Brawler. Litten is 35. It sounds like from South Park. Kelpsie Berry. Tomato Berry. Barry Burton. Alright, let's do this. What do you want? Young boy with 9 minutes, Pokemon a little bit tired. Oh, she's healing me. Thank you very much. What is this? Sniff, sniff, grrr. Okay, so we found 1 out of 8 apparently. No! I'm gonna be attacked again. That's what I love about this game, actually. Wild Pokemon actually attack you, you don't have to look for them yourself. It's interesting. It can get annoying, but... Am I cancelling evolution to get flamethrower? Actually, I'm cancelling the evolution to get Flare Blitz, if I'm not mistaken. He learns Flare Blitz. Let me just real quick double check that he learns it. Where's my keyboard? On the other side. Serebii.net. Hold on. Hold on. Sun Moon Pokédex. If I'm not mistaken, he learns Flare Blitz. H-I-J-K. L for Litten. Yes, level 43 he learns Flare Blitz. That's why. Oh, very powerful. Let's try Aqua Tail. Assurance. Goodbye, Firo. Flare Blitz is more powerful, right? 120, yes. Compared to Flamethrower. Flamethrower is 90, if I'm reading correctly. Do you have other Pokemon games other than this? Of course, I have all of them, starting from Red and Blue. Of course. Pokemon wants to learn? Psyduck wants to learn Soak. What's soak? Let's find out. User shoots a torrent of water at the target and changes the... But why would I change their type to water? That's the thing, that's what I don't understand. Why would I change their... I'm not... No. No. Why would I change their type to water? In case they have a type of advantage, I suppose, but... Hello, lady. As soon as I'm finished with this game, I'm gonna start Moon as well. And then I'll probably get back to the game once Pokemon Bank comes out in January. Guys, you wanna try something new? I do have X and Y, yes. Do you wanna try something new? Let's try something new. Let's try our new Vulpix, yeah? It's gonna be unnecessary, but I just wanna see him in action. Oh, he's adorable! Okay, Vulpix, use Blizzard. If I can do it, if I can pull it off. There we go. Nice. There we go. There's another one. They have an adorable cry. So that's 2 out of 8. Oh, there's another one hiding over here. Oh, that cry is adorable. Trainer tips, what are these? Yeah. I wonder what type of Pokemon are here. Eradicate. You know what, can I run away? It's very rare that you can get away. You couldn't get away. It's unbelievable. Run. You couldn't get away. My goodness. Litten. How help doesn't appear in your face. And flame charge. This is one powerful Raticate. This would be a perfect opportunity to catch him. But no. Leafeon is 29. Sword Dance. It's a very good move, but I don't think there's room for it. Let's see. Magically. Oh, instead of Sand Attack. No, I prefer Sand Attack. No, I prefer Sand Attack over Sword Dance. I'm gonna stick with... the team is done for this Pokemon. The moveset. Keep all moves. Maybe if I find Solar Beam, perhaps. This guy's looking for me. Hey, hold on real quick. So cute. Policeman wants to battle. What about Vulpix? How does he avoid Vulpix? The yellow Vulpix, I mean. V for Vulpix, there you go. We'll see. Oh, my Pokemon fainted. Ah. Let's see. I need an Ice Stone? What is that? Ice Stone? Seriously, I made that up and it's true. I need an Ice Stone. Use Body Slam. Nice. I'm gonna have to rush back so I can heal. You like the music? Meow. I don't know how many I've got of these, but I'm gonna have to go heal now. Let's ride our Pokemon. Let's go. So much faster. Yeah. Let's go again. So much fuss. What's the cop? I don't know. To me. Ooh, there's another Pokemon here. I missed it. To me, he looks like a Nazi officer, to be honest with you. The way he's posing and his uniform and his little mustache. That's me. That's my opinion. Well, 7 of them so far. There's still one hiding. Let's go. Oh, there it is. You sneaky little baby. I wonder what she's gonna give me now that I helped her. Hello, lady. Oh, you child. All of my stuff will have made it back, thanks to you. You've been a great help to me. I sure do owe you, my young friend. Take these from me along with my thanks. Never melt ice. Nice. Oh, and she also gave me money. Cute and strong, and just a little bit wild. Oh yeah, baby. That's what Pokemon should feel like. And that's why Stuffle is the best. Whatever. Oh no. Hey, Pokemon for life, welcome. Nice to see you. Can I get away from Firo? Can I get away? Is he gonna let me? Or should I just run away? Just attack, let's see. You couldn't get away. They just won't let you get away. Oh, he called for help, of course. Aha, no help appeared. Run. You couldn't get away. My goodness. Oh, I'm gonna make you pay. Oh my goodness. They fainted my side back. Is it gonna let me run away now? Got away safely. My goodness. Officer Bob Brady. I have no idea who he is. No idea. Oh my goodness, another wild one. Oh man. You're making me angry, wild Pokemon. And it's stupid Fearos. I wish it was something more interesting. Meh. Wonder trades are lame. I did it for like an hour today. I got nothing. Oh my goodness, you're kidding me. Skarmory. Interesting. Interesting, Skarmory. Skarmory. Hold on. I'm gonna check the moveset of Skarmory. Nah, I don't like. Run. It's a beautiful Pokemon, but nah. Still hasn't tickled my fancy. After we complete a challenge on the island, or a trial, I will be doing the QR scan, looking for Johto starters. We got Chikorita already. Let's see if we get something else. Uh-oh, more of these guys. The dancing duo. Let's see. Hey, Wolf Gamer. Welcome, Wolfie Gamer. Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream. What? You never see somebody take a bus stop to go What? You never see somebody take a bus stop to go before? Hey, yo! You trying to steal our bus stop? Let's go find your own. Yeah, heard? Uh-oh. Oh no! They are so strong! Not. Let's go. Golbat. Perfect. Psychic. You don't stand a chance, Golbat, I think. I hope. Ooh, a strong Golbat. Uh-oh. Trying to do something, bear with me guys. Okay, there we go. Dang, I lost. Then my homies gotta fight you. That's just life in Team Skull. We stand up to even the strong, yo. We stand up, but not for long, yo. Come on, let's get this over with. You know what? I'm gonna go all out. Let's go all out. Oh, he started with a crunch. It all started with a crunch. Seriously? Wow. I'm gonna heal. Not good. Oh, come on, I healed for nothing. Hey, Sapphire, welcome. How are you, buddy? I don't know if you care, but that bus stop weighs about as much as a golem. Nobody cares. He took off. What about this bus stop anyway? Kukui wants something. He's always following me. I hate it. What's going on? Some T-Scout punks just ran past me, going in the other direction, yeah? I wish they changed the league instead of getting up to no good all the time. The league? Exactly. What's that supposed to mean? Hey Julian! Welcome, nice to see you. The league. Oh, you'll find out soon enough. You just wait, cousin. But first things first. If you want to head up to Mount Hokulani, we should take the bus. It'll blast up there to the top. Yeah, as quick as a sky uppercut. Okay, whatever. When is Executor Express gonna... Okay, I don't know. There's a bus stop here. Do you want to wait and catch the bus to Hokulani Observatory? Yes, but first... No, for now. I want to see what's over here. Ah, so I can't really just go. Okay. You hate Wi-Fi? What's wrong with the Wi-Fi? Is it cutting you off? Is it cutting you off? Alright, let's get the bus then. We're getting the bus, guys. He's gonna get the bus with me, Professor. Beep beep. You are welcome aboard the Executor Express. Look at the logo at the top. How cool. The top of the bus. Executors. I like that. Our safe driving record will absolutely slay you. Come on, climb in. Slay you. I don't think slaying is safe, but anyway. Mount Hokulani. Over here! Mount Hokulani is the second tallest mountain in Alola. Oh, there's a taller one then. And the tallest, I know which one is the tallest. I think it's the Pokemon League. Over there, yes, I think so. Check it out, Vloggy. Look at that. You see that steep, jutting, majestic peak right over there? That's the Pokemon League, I think. I have a big feeling. That's Mount Lanakila, the highest peak in Alola, okay. It's a sacred spot. Yeah, the closest you can ever get to the legendary Pokemon of Alola. Oh, okay. Maybe it's not Pokemon League meant then. Maybe it's where you find the legendary. We'll see. Said to be the moon incarnate. Okay. Varo, hey! Nice to see you. That's it, right there. On the peak of Lanakila. That's where I'll establish our Pokemon League. There we go. Well, get everybody who's finished their island challenges. We'll get everybody who's finished their island challenges. Yeah, and up there on the peak of Mount Lanakila, they'll battle against Kahunas to become the island challenge champion. Okay, so they never had a league, they're gonna have it the first time then? It's like the first edition of the Pokemon League. That sounds interesting. I've always valued our old trainers here in Alola, but it's time to make a champion the whole world will recognize. Interesting. It's time to get our own Elite Four and make our own Pokemon League. You see? They're gonna make it. It's gonna be like the first edition of the Pokemon League. That's interesting. To think that someday the kiddos in Alola will be able to go from being the Island Challenge champion to World Champion. And then, when we have our own champion, they can show the rest of the world what's so special about Alolan Pokemon and their trainers. Yeah. Stop saying yeah. Let's go. I want to check this first real quick. I haven't examined this road. I'll be right back on my way up then. Wow, this is a very long road. So this is where the bus drove me off. Okay, so I can start from here. Magmar! Wow, the area is so big. Trainer tips, advanced tips. Wild Pokemon, let's see what's over here. Ah, more Fearos, fantastic. Oh, I need to heal, I forgot. Are you gonna let me run away, please? Of course not. Of course not, that would be too easy. Now it lets me run away once it manages to faint one of my Pokemon. Thank you very much. I'm gonna have to heal like this, the old-fashioned way. Nothing down here. I came here for nothing? Okay. Somebody was gonna see me. That was a trainer somewhere. A Beldum! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, a Beldum! Oh my goodness, a Beldum! Oh, I love me a Metagross. Should I? Should I? Oh my goodness, should I go for a Beldum? I'm thinking. Should I go for a Beldum? Let's try. Oh, a Beldum. My goodness, I love it. Beldum called for help. You know what? Beldum, you are mine. Is Beldum a heavy Pokemon? I don't know. What's a Duskmore? Go. Looks like we got us a Beldum. I would love to get a Pikachu, but not for now. Not for now, because it's too mainstream. Everybody catches a Pikachu. I love Pikachu, but it's too mainstream. But I will get one. With magnetic traction, it pulls its opponent in close. When they're enraged, it slashes them with its rare claws. So cute. I love it. No. Alright, now I need to check some things about Beldum because I don't know. Hold on. I need to check a few things about Beldum. So let's see. Somebody's spotting me. Look at him. Let's see. What about Beldum? Beldum's gonna evolve right away, I think. Level 20, yeah, he's gonna evolve. So all he knows, I think, right now is Takedown. Yeah, all he knows is Takedown. So I'm gonna evolve him into... Did I miss out anything on between 20 to... What level is he? Hold on, because I think I made a boo-boo. Okay, wrong bag. I think I made a boo-boo. Beldum's 26. I missed out on 6 levels. Let me see what kind of moves I missed out on. Pursuit, Bullet Punch, Miracle Eye. Well, I'm not gonna miss out on many moves actually. And then what about 45? I'm not gonna miss out on many moves actually. So I better evolve him right away, as soon as possible. Hipster. Yeah, I'm a hipster. That's right. It's true. In fact, I know it might sound weird, but I love to play obscure titles when I play games on my channel. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, you play mainstream games like this one that I'm playing right now. Everybody's playing it right now, but I don't know. I like to go out away from the norm as much as I can. Alright, I'm still not sure about Beldum. I'm not sure how I feel about Beldum, to be honest with you. I'm gonna leave it for now. We'll see. We'll keep it in our team for the time being. We'll see what happens. Look, it's a monkey. I love my Kanto team. Primeape, Sandslash, Nidoking, Pidgeot, Slowbro, and Dragonite. Yeah, I love me a Dragonite. Dragonite's awesome. You know what I'm gonna do actually? Hold on. I'm going to update the... Let's switch. That's a monkey. That's a water type, grass type monkey. So let's go with Litten. There we go. That'll do. There we go. We'll see if I feel like changing it though. We'll see. I'm very open to changing Beldum for the time being. We'll see. We'll see how hard it is to raise him. Because I have another Pokemon in mind, to be honest with you, but I'm afraid I might not find it. So if I don't, I'll stick with Beldum. Dragonite is mainstream. Yes, it is mainstream. Yes, it's true. That's why I won't go for it. If I do find a Dratini, I'll keep it. You know, it does feel like it's Dragon Ball. Sometimes they get the aura like a Super Saiyan when you think about it. But anyway. Oranguru. Okay. Ooh, wow. The attack destroyed the web, but only did 50% damage. Yeah, but keep in mind, they are still babies. My Little is still a baby. Litten is still a baby, so we need to keep that in mind. Uh-oh. He's done. He's done. Bye, Litten. They're still babies, but it's okay. Their time will come when they evolve, and they're gonna become beasts. But now, for the time being, let's use our Vulpix again. Go, my beauty. Go, my beauty. So cute. And use Ice Beam. Look at that health! Look at that! I'm going to overpower it. What's an imprisonment? Stupid, the prison doesn't make sense. What about Grudge? What does it do? What does Grudge do? Oh, by the way, you mentioned that the Pokemon you loved is Sandslash. In this game, there's a new variation of Sandslash. I don't know if I told you this. There's an Ice-type Sandslash. Alright, Blizzard. Use Blizzard, my friend. Oops, he missed. Yeah, Blizzard misses a lot. That's why I love my team. I just catch what was next to me, but made sure they aren't too weak. Yeah, exactly. Many people go by that strategy. It's a mainstream strategy. It's a mainstream strategy. No, I'm kidding. But it's a good strategy. Me, on the other hand, I'm very picky with the Pokemon I pick. I want them to be what I want. I'm still not convinced about Beldum, to be honest with you. We'll see. I only have one. I'll give it to Psyduck. Oh, nice. Max Potion. You know what, guys? I'm gonna take off. So, what do you go for generally? I like to go for the ones that are, I'm not gonna say uncommon, but good ones, obviously. I still make sure that they're good Pokemon, but I want to make sure that they look good. I know it's weird to say that, but I want to make sure that they're very pretty. It's true. It's true. And uncommon, kind of. It's not Pokemon you see all the time, more or less, I think. I mean, you have to choose a starter. You have to stick with a starter. I went for Snorlax, the fat guy, because it was a gift for purchasing the game early. I wanted to seize the opportunity. Psyduck, I ran into a shiny one, that's it. Any shiny I run into, I catch, and it's included in my team right away. No questions. Because you can't get any more hipster than that. Then I was curious about an egg I was given, and I hatched it, and there was an Eevee inside. And randomly it evolved into the one I have right now. I just happened to be standing next to a mossy area, and that's why he turned into a leaf kind of thing. I loved Vulpix, that's why I have Vulpix. Okay guys, I'm gonna put the game down real quick because I need to take off my pants. I'm feeling very hot right now. Actually, I don't have to be right back, so I can actually take them off. I'm taking them off as we speak. As I speak, not you. You don't speak. You type in chat. Ah, much better. Much better. Okay. Sometimes people get confused whether they should buy this game or not if they want to be interested in the series, because I've never played the games before this one. Am I gonna get the same enjoyment? Yes, you do. Every game teaches you how Pokemon from scratch. It teaches you how to catch a Pokemon and takes you to school. Sometimes it gets tedious for old... Oh, hello. There we go. Hiker. What is this? It's a rock type for sure. I think. It looks like a rock type. Let's see. Aqua Tail. Oh wow. Rock Blast. Oh, that's a powerful move. Please don't hit 5 times. 3. 4. 4 times, my goodness. Listen, 36. Want to move? Flamethrower! Now then, Fire Fang does 65 damage, and Flame Charge does 50. Alright. Removing Flame Charge. Hang on. Yeah. Little Nose Flamethrower. Geodude. I want a Geodude. I want a Geodude. Check out the Geodude in Alola region. He's different. Varo might know. Check this out. Look how different he is. Actually, I'm gonna stick with Psyduck. Look at Geodude, how cool. He has eyebrows now. Should I go for a Geodude instead of Beldum? Geodude is awesome. That's why I'm not so sure about Beldum, because I'm thinking about the Geodude, to be honest. Stealth Rock. No, it's still not time, Litten. It's still not time. Feels like I can go over here, but I can't. Nice. Look how high we are. Love that. Ooh, nice. TM. Volt Switch. I like Volt Switch, but I don't have an electric type Pokemon. What? It's a Cleffa! These Pokemon are cute, but normal types. Meh. I hate normal types. Except for Snorlax. Hello. It's true, huh? I like that too. They tried to appeal to the old school gamers, old school Pokemon trainers with this game, huh? They really tried. I'm gonna have to switch. Maybe we'll lose Leafeon. I love this strategy. You do sand attack. You do another sand attack. You do another sand attack. Clefairy is gonna try to apply the same strategy, I think. Giga Drain. I want my health back. Oh, ouch. I did sand attack for nothing 3 times. So much for a strategy. Usually it works after 4 times really, but I got lazy. Let's bite. Avoided the attack. Seriously? Oh no, you're gonna do the same thing to me. This is gonna get tough now. Alright, you know what? I'm going to sand attack you one more time. I missed! Oh no! This is not good. I am missing! And she's not. Come on! Oh my goodness. I keep... Oh, okay, she missed once. Alright, come on. I need to give her another sand attack. Oh my goodness! She's gonna trash me. There you go. Exactly, I'm trying to get Flare Blitz for Litten. Oh my goodness. How useless this strategy. Okay. Right. But I had a lot of bad luck as well. Oh, look at that! She's not missing attacks, but I am. It's not fair! It's not fair! Oh my goodness! I hate Clefairy so much! Go Snorlax! I don't think Body Slam will miss because he's a big guy and... Oh yes, it's even more powerful actually, Body Slam, after minimizing. It's even more powerful. If I'm not mistaken. Alright, I need to heal. I really need to heal now. I'm not gonna use any more of my potions and stuff. There we go. A few seconds. Whoa! Are you walking down the mountain? That's pretty far. To the next bus stop? Okay, whatever. Hello, sir. Wait a minute, how do I get there? Oh, okay. Oh look! It's the Alolan variant of Professor Oak. And I'm going to do his voice. Oh, hello, Alola. You know, there's this Pokemon called Minior. It comes down from space like a shooting star, and the cores of these Minior seem to shine like a number of different colors. They don't seem to be regional variants, but it's an interesting phenomenon nonetheless. Here, I've been wanting to give you this. Hey, welcome back, Pikachu. Moonball. Interesting. I hope you'll try to complete your Pokédex for Rotom's sake as well. Okay, he took off. But I got a Moonball now. This must be the guy... I think this must be the owner or something. Not the owner. What are they called? The Kahunas or something? Hey there. You're still as fired up as ever, eh, Royal? Ha! Vlog, let me introduce you to this. Molan... He runs the observatory here and also manages PC boxes, but he's not Hokulani's captain. Oh. Oh, Ma retweeted me. Thank you so much, Ma, if you're listening. It's Vloggy, right? Thanks for coming all the way up Hokulani to visit us. I'm not here to visit, okay? I'm not here to visit. I'm here to challenge and to become boss. Okay, so, but our Captain Sophocles is a busy young man, always calculating comets, paths, or working on that Festival Plaza thing of his. So I'll just determine whether you're qualified to take on the trial. What? You're gonna challenge me, seriously? I'll gladly show you the skills of a trainer who toughened up while adventuring alongside Kukui back in the day. It's true, Varo, but I don't like doing that. I don't. Yeah, you can do that. People do that all the time, but I don't. I want to be the very best. Alright, this guy's challenging me. Let's see what he's made of. He's got 3 Pokemon. Quack, quack. I'm not gonna do well against this guy with my Psyduck, so I'm gonna switch. I am going to switch. And I'm gonna use my flamethrower for the first time. And enter. Flamethrower! Hang on. No other moves. Okay, flamethrower. Ooh, nice. Look at that. A teeny tiny health left. That's not fair. Oh, he used the super potion. Cheater, hacker. Yeah, Varo, you get these people who are like, I need, I don't know, let's just say I need a Litten. I need a Litten and I need it to be of this nature, exactly of this nature. I don't have time for that. Beldum grew to level 27! So in that case, I will use my Psyduck. Psyduck! You know what? Let's do this. Do your best, Psyduck. That's how I roll, baby. Matang, the evolved form of my Beldum. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna switch to my Litten. Flamethrower. Bullet punch. That's the evolved form of my Beldum. And you know who else is gonna have a Beldum? sorry, a Matang like that one. You know who else? No, Psyduck, no. I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about you. There you go, here we go, here we go. There we go. Hardcore gamer vloggy. Blonde Duck Trio. I don't like the Alolan variant, to be honest with you. I don't like it. With the wigs. With the wig. It's not my thing. So now I have a Matang. So it says, it adores magnetic mirrors, and so it pursues. Knows pass at speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour. Evolution hype indeed. Ah, he learned Confusion, okay, that's good. And Metal Claw, okay, that's good. At least now. I'm starting to like him now. Well, well, you certainly seem qualified to take on the trial. Yeah, I think he's even stronger than we were at this point of our island challenge. One more thing, cousin. The name's Kukui. Who's this Master Royale you're talking about? Oh, come on. Come on. He's pretending like he's not the Master Royale. Oh my goodness. Alright, cousin, I'm heading back to Mali Garden. He's gonna pretend. At the end, he's gonna be like, I was the Master Royale, whatever. He's gonna take off his mask like it was like a big revelation. I figure how should be done eating malasada by now, yeah? I'll make sure he makes it up here too. Okay, bye. Bye, have a great time. That guy is as interesting as ever, my old buddy. Come to our observatory vlogging. Okay. Let's check the reception first. Take this to commemorate your visit with the observatory and keep a bit of space with you. Uh-oh. Comet shard. A comet chart. That fragment that fell to Earth when a comet passed by our planet. You can feel the vastness of space. Oh, what a sense of adventure. You know what? I'm thinking of buying a piece of Meteor from eBay with the certificate and everything. Just so I can say I have a piece of space. I'm an idiot. We use different waves such as infrared rays and radio waves to detect celestial bodies. Okay, whatever. Magnemite, hello Magnemite! Look at this Magnemite, how cute. Let's go inside. A bunch of boxes. Ooh, more Zygarde bits. I think I'm assembling. I'm building my own legendary, I think. This is the Kahuna, seriously? You're getting close to your goal. I imagine that you must have come here to attempt the trial, huh? So, Do you like the festival plaza? Not really. Not really. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. Then I don't know. Fine, whatever. Let's get started. I just insulted him. Oh man. Fine, let's get started. Right here. Right now. Right here. Oh, okay. You summon certain Pokemon and prove your strength to it. And what every trail boils down to. That's what every... Okay, I can't read already. That's what every trail boils down to, right? So I thought, why not just call the totem here from the start? So I tried a bit of this and that, and I think I whipped out a little device to call the totem Pokemon. Perhaps you're wondering why I built the machine. Here at the observatory we also monitor sounds that we detect water space. There are some sounds that are inaudible to people, but Pokemon can just hear just fine. We broadcast the sounds that have gathered terrestrially and monitored the reactions of Pokemon. That machine that summons the totem Pokemon makes use of this technology. Utilizing other sounds we have gathered, we also developed a security system here, but that was actually Big Mo's invention. So much dialogue in this game, guys. Everybody's complaining of the same thing I was reading online. Lots of dialogue. Everybody's been saying that. Too much dialogue in this game. The IGN rating should have been too much dialogue. So you know, this will actually be my first time trying it out. So I'm glad you came. I need a test subject. Bing! Totem Pokemon 2.0! Engage! Now the totem should... Wow. It seems like we're experiencing some technical difficulties, guys. I think no more stream. I love this effect. Who turned out the lights? You know what? Hang on a sec. I'm still feeling warm even though I took off my pants. I'm gonna put the game down and I'm gonna take off my shirt now as well. Warm! Hang on, be right back. Okay, I'm back. I am back. I kid you not, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I don't know why, but I think it's because I'm excited playing this game. If they had voiceovers, it would be a pain. It's true. It would save you the pain of reading, but I think it would be even a bigger pain listening to all this. Anyway. Ah! No, wait, did I blow a fuse? Oh, did the door close? Let's see. We'll need to turn off the security system to get the door open. You'll have to pass an audio quiz. Oh, come on, man. It's fine. I definitely feel a powerful presence. It's coming now! The totem Pokemon is coming! So let's get the trial going. My trial is about to begin! In the darkness? In the darkness. In order to open the door, please respond to the following audio quiz. Okay, it's not the totem Pokemon. What sound do you hear? Uh-oh. You guys have to tell me. What was that sound? What was that sound? Let's play together. What was that sound? I'm just checking the quality of my stream real quick. Okay. Pikachu is right, this is the Pokemon Center. Correct, opening door, is that it? Grub. Oh, that's what's going on? Oh no! Oh no! This is not good. No, this is not good. This Pokemon is not good for this. Let's use Matang. For the first time ever. There we go. How about confusion? Here. Let's go again. Ouch, that bite. Oh, I got flinched. I'm gonna switch again. Okay, that was good. I knew you could do it, Vloggy! Oh, and just when I said it, the door closed again. It can be okay, the totem Pokemon is on its way. Detected presence of approaching totem Pokemon. In order to open the door, please respond to the following audio quiz. You heard the sound when you get what? You hear this sound when you get what? What? A Rotom Dex. Okay. Another charger bug is coming up. Ouch. I knew you could do it, Vloggy! Oh, and would you look at that, the door closed again while I was flapping my jaw. It's gonna be okay. The totem Pokemon is on its way. Totem Pokemon still approaching. The security system has been 50% shut down. In order to open the door, please respond to the following audio quiz. Which Pokemon cry is this sound? Uh-oh, I'm not so good with Pokemon cries. I have no idea. I don't know. Charge a bug? Ooh, that was a random one. The door's about to open. Charge! I knew it! I'm counting on you again, Vloggy! Nope, switching. Ouch. I have enough of heals. Uh-oh. That's okay. I'll manage. Psychic. Oh, Ma retweeted me 20 minutes ago. I just saw it now. If you're listening, Ma, thank you so much. Alright, that didn't work. Let's go. Full pix is 46. No, Litten. I knew you could do it, Vloggy. And then of course the door goes and shuts again. Fool me once, shame on you. Shame on the door. Fool me twice, shame on the security system. Fool me thrice, shame on me, I guess. Here comes, you're picking up traces of the totem Pokemon extremely close by. Totem Pokemon incoming. This is the final security question. In order to open the door, please respond to the following quiz audio. What happens? What appears when you hear the following music? A totem Pokemon. There it is! The totem Pokemon! This is your time to shine, Flocky! Go! I'm gonna see if I can do a flamethrower. Actually, you know what? Go all out. Inferno Overdrive. Wow, super effective. Smart. Now I'm down. That's down. That's fine, don't worry. Okay, it's all on you, Snorlax. Aw, man, not this. Oh, so close! Paralyzed. Come on, use a body slam. He's down. At least he's down. Nice. Use rest. Now you sleep talk. Ah, he was dressed. Ah, that's the only disadvantage of this move. You have 1/4 chance, one out of 4 chance that he was dressed. Ah, crap. I know this. Yes, Snorlax! There we go. This guy's always frowning. Sophie! Big Mo! Nice work, Captain! You helped Vloggy here through his trial, and your experiment was a success. It seems that your Ping Totem Pokemon 2.0 uses too much electricity though. If we can get a little assistance from Charjabug, we should be able to make some improvements. Here, Vloggy, I'll give you this Electrium Z to reward you for beating the Totem Pokemon. He's gonna teach me the move. You watching? That was fine when the power was off. Jeez. Now that you can see me, I feel all nervous. I'm not sure what to say. Thanks, or congratulations. You passed my trial. Congratulations on clearing your trial. You and Sophie, I'm gonna call him Sophie. You did well as a captain. I was really nervous. Don't you worry. I'm sure that I made the right choice in naming you captain. Even if you are my cousin. Okay. He's smiling for the first time ever. Usually it's the island's kahuna who appoints the captains. But there are some unusual circumstances here in Ula Ula. He's frowning again. So somehow I ended up captain. But you were a great ally. No, what am I saying? But you are really great, Vloggy. Where did I get that word from? I see. Then let me reward you. Steelium Z. I put Steelium Z and say. This is one of the Zekers that I collected long ago during my own Island Challenge to prove my own strength and that of my Pokemon. So it seems fitting that it go from me to you. Take it and use it well. And if we're done here, Vloggy, could I ask you do a favor for me? Professor Kukui forgot this. His mask. His mask. So humiliating. Okay. He said he would be going back to Mali Garden. Can you take it to him? Yeah, I guess. Maybe next time we can battle. Yeah, sure. Oh, that's it? We're good? We're good to go? Nothing else? Okay, so I'm gonna check quickly the QR codes. Maybe I can start looking for QR scanner. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. we're back. You said the professor was in that garden, right? Let's go there. No, the garden's over here, I think. Yep, there it is. Ooh, a clothing shop. Let's check it out. Okay. Thanks. Just tank tops. Oh, jeans. I like these jeans. Or should I go for black ones? No, I'm gonna go for these. Oh, they have different shapes, these backpacks. I like them. We'll see. It's just the regular hats. Sunglasses. Oh, cool. I like these. Shiny gold duck. I'll check. Welcome, Final Hope. I'll check. I like these glasses. He looks like a douche. Or maybe these. I don't know, maybe these or these. I'm gonna go for these. Awesome. I need to check about Shiny Golduck actually when he's gonna evolve. Let's find out real soon. Let's check real quick. So PQRS PPP for Psyduck. There we go. So he needs to learn Hydro Pump at level 40. Let's check out where he's at. So, Pokemon 33. There's still a long way to go. He needs to learn Psych Up, and then Amnesia, and then Hydro Pump. So, I wouldn't say very soon. Now then, we're gonna go look for the professor once again. What is this place? But oh no! More of these guys. Yo, yo, yo! Hold up, yo, Mr. Kukui! You say you wanna make a Pokemon League? You got rocks in your skull. 4 turns, huh? Bring it on, the both of you. I've been researching Pokemon moves. Yeah, so I'm always ready. Oh yeah. I'll take you both on a battle royale. And you'll be down with just a Swift, an Incinerate, or 2. You gotta beat the man to be the man, boys. Yo, for real? Fine, you asked for it. Get him, Professor! You numbskulls should learn your place. Battle Royale, huh? Nice idea there, Kukui. You can beat down 3 Pokemon at once, huh? It's Guzma. The boss has graced us with his presence. The hated boss who beats you down and beats you down and never lets up. Yeah, the big Guzma is here. Greetings, cowering public! We have an exciting bout for you tonight. In the opposing corner, the Pokemon Professor Kukui. And in this corner, the boss of Team Skull and the hardest guy around, Guzma! Here we are, Kukui. Fellow rejects who never could become captains. We've got all these moldy old traditions in Alola, the kahunas, the captains. It's about time we cut all that silly garbage and make something new for ourselves. Trust me, I get that. Don't get me wrong though, Kukui. We've got no need for a Pokemon League. After all, everyone already knows who's the strongest trainer on these islands. Speak for yourself, Guzma. It's not like I couldn't become captain. I chose not to. I had other dreams, see? I wanted to figure out which moves would be strong enough to beat old Hala, and I finally found what I was looking for. The strongest moves you can use are the ones a trainer and their Pokemon choose together, in the heat of the moment, when it really counts. That's when I knew I had to make a Pokemon League, yeah, and give everybody a chance to be pushed to the limit with their team, and find that perfect move. Let's see, Guzma, show me your moves and prove you aren't just stock. If you really can, that is. Right, Logie? Don't you agree? That's right. I should have said what? Like I wasn't listening. So you're one of the kids on this island. Challenge. You don't look like Hala's grandson. This here's Vloggy. He just moved to Alola recently. Discovery, new experience, adventure. He's loving every minute of it. Vloggy and his Psyduck can unleash some real powerful moves. So if you think you're the strongest trainer on these islands, Guzma, why don't you battle him? This move fanatic is getting me all riled up. You got Zeering, huh, kid? Why even bother with the island challenge? What's the point of it? It'll make me strong. No, won't you dumb kid? Watch closely, Kukui. Someday I'm gonna destroy you, but first I'll destroy everything you care about. Ha 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 ha! Wanna see the destruction? Wanna see what destruction looks like? Here it is in human form. It's your boy Guzma. Here we go. After so much rambling. What the heck is that? golly support. Whoa, that looks awesome. I'm gonna go with a psychic first. Let's see what it does. Whoa! No way. No problem. He's a water type! He's a water type! Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, wow. Okay. Very strong Pokemon. Alright, I'm gonna do my strategy. Uh-oh. He's gonna get even stronger, my goodness. I'm gonna do 4 send attacks. He should miss an attack now, I think. Yeah, there we go. One more. Ouch. Oh wow, that's it. I want my health back. Oh wow, that's not much. Oh no. Not good. Snorlax. I'm gonna body slam it like that. This is a good Pokemon. This is a good trainer, huh? He's sending out some really good Pokemon. One more body slam. We can do it, we can do it. And he's down. I'm gonna switch this again. I'm gonna take out my Leafeon. Strong one. Giga Drain until I get my health back. Oh no, not this again! Ouch. And he's down. Back to you, Snorlax. Alright. Take a nap, Snorlax. And now, Sleep Talk. cool. Oh, that was tough. Cosma, what is wrong with you? He's saying to himself. Now's the time for your vaunted team to let loose and destroy everything. It was Vloggy, right? I remember you as someone I'll be happy to beat down anytime. Don't win the boss! And don't mess with the boss, yo! You don't want him to get serious. Team Skull will have to go lick their wounds now. Getting beat by a child just doing his trials. Oh, Vloggy. You are one righteous trainer. Ooh, Vloggy. Those were some nice moves. I can feel my soul shaking. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to give you something super important. There you go, cousin. This is the Z crystal for Incineroar. No way! The evolution of Litten. You chose. I need to evolve him though first. Incineroar Z. You have Z, okay? Oh. About that mask you've got there, Vloggy. I gave you that, yeah? I'll take it if you don't mind. I can make sure it gets back to the Master L safe and sound. Yeah, exactly. It's like giving Peter Parker the Spider-Man mask, and he could be like, yeah, I'll make sure I give it to Spider-Man. So funny. So what happened to Lily? You lose her somewhere, Vloggy? Right here! So this is Acerola. Oh, the names. And House probably at the Malasada shop somewhere, yeah? You and the professor fought those terrible Team Skull thugs, Vloggy? Just thinking about it makes me worry. They sound like scary group. You think? I don't know. Exchanging a few moves in battle is the quickest way to get to know someone in my book. Well, I'm going to help to mount Lanakila. I've got to make sure the Pokemon League gets finished and everybody has a chance to find their own perfect move. Keep training hard on your island challenge, Vloggy, and one day you'll make it here. Or there. Vloggy, be sure you're not pushing yourself too hard. Vloggy, you made it through Sophie's trial, huh? Help me, please! Amy's still up! Amy, since you're always up at night, why don't we just do a stream and we do a co-op sometime? You're always like, I have to go to bed early. I need to be in bed by 9 or 8. Come on, let's do a run of Resident Evil sometime soon. Anyway, that was a good stretch. Vlogging everyone, okay? That's really great. You can take on the next trial up past Route 11, through Tapu Village, you know. If you get lost on your way, ask a police officer for directions. They're here to serve, right? Now, Lily, hang on. Now, Lily, you're coming with me to do some shopping? I'm gonna go heal. Because they trashed me. Thank you for waiting. Okay, let's go. So where do I go from here now? He won't tell me where I need to go. I'm touching his face. Oh, there's a lot of Pokemon trainers up here. Not good. Okay, can I do the thing where I scan the QR codes? Let's see if we can do that. I think it's time. I think it's time to do that. Let's see. QR scanner. Have they all been unlocked? Oh, just a teeny tiny little bit. Alright, let's go up the bridge then. Oh, so cool! This is a reference to, so cool, this is a reference to the Pokemon Nugget Bridge in Pokemon Red and Blue. So nice, you have a bridge, and there's no way you can cross the bridge without challenging all those trainers. And then, once you do, this guy will give you a nugget. That's so cool. I like that reference, let's go. Oh, god dang it. I have to wipe off his poison now. Oh, poor Psyduck is poisoned. Let's fix that. Yay! I think they have the same Pokemon as well from the bridge, from the first game. That's what I'm starting to think. Because they're all first gen. Yes, they are the same Pokemon. They're all the same Pokemon from the first game. They're all from the first game. It's a nice homage to the first game. I like that. I'm running out of psychic moves. Psych up. Let me just take a look at it. Use to hypnotize itself into copying and it's not as if I don't care about this. $34. 29? No Psyduck, no. I wonder what a shiny Golduck looks like. Let's take a look. Ah, he's just a darker shade. That's a letdown. Ooh, so close. Nice, Mankey. My last psychic attack. Ouch! Ooh, I didn't even get to use it. Aww. You know what? Let's go all out. Bloom Doom. And he's down. Now in the first game, the guy who gives you the reward tries to convince you to join Team Rocket. Let's see if it's the same thing. Congratulations, you beat our 5 contest trainers. You just earned a fabulous prize. And then he tries to convince you to join a Team Rocket in the first game. Let's see. By the way, would you like to join Team Rocket? Exactly like the first game. We're a group dedicated to evil using Pokemon. And then he'll challenge me because I keep saying I want to join. Are you sure? Come on, join us. I'm telling you to join. Okay, you need convincing. I'll make you an offer you can't refuse. The exact same dialogue. Love it. That's it. Oh, with your ability you could become a top leader in Team Rocket. Just kidding. Man, Team Rocket fell apart years ago. No point in telling you that you gotta join Team Rocket, right? We're just having some fun pretending we're just like those 5. We're just having some fun pretending we're just like those 5 on Nugget Bridge, yeah? Boy, I wonder what Mr. Giovanni's up to now. He was the boss of Team Rocket back then. How interesting! So they were just pretending to be those guys. Amy ran away. What's all this? Have I been here before? Feels like I have been. Yeah, I've been here. Yeah, I've definitely been here. Let's go heal. It's not like I'm in a position to wander around. So where do I go from here? Oh, seems to be a road over there. Alright, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna check the QR codes real quick. Can I scan now? Yes, I can. Alright, I can scan 10 codes and I can start looking for another Johto starter. Let's do this. I'm gonna change the island. I need to go on the first island. What's it called? Mele Mele, I think. So the first island is called Ula Ula. No, this is Ula Ula. Hold on, like this. Akala, Mele Mele. This is the first island. I can't go there yet. Oh, that's the ether. Okay, Pony Island. That's Ula Ula. Okay, so I need to go to Mele Mele Island. So, let's go there. I want to make sure I go do this right now. Alright, let's activate my... Okay, let's do this. Let's activate my QR reader. I'm getting nervous. I hope I do this right. So, I point the QR code like this. Is that okay? Yes. Thank you. I need to collect. Hey, hey Ultra, welcome. I'm trying to get the Johto starters by doing this technique, more or less. All right, so I got the first one. Where's the mouse? Oh, there it is. Scrolling down. Let's keep doing this. Next one. It's amazing, I'm scanning them from far away. I got Dartrix. $20 points, thank you very much. Next. Next one. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna see if there's a Charizard or something like that. It's nice to have a Charizard in the Pokédex. To be honest, I think they're all here. No. I'm gonna control F real quick. No, there isn't. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going. Just gonna keep going like this. Thank you. Next one. Let's find an interesting Pokemon. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Cannon. It's gorgeous. Wow, it's gorgeous. 60 points, almost there. Come on, let's scan. Oh, look at that. Alolan Raticate. So cool. Let's scan a Pikachu, why not?
Pikachu!
Oh. One more. Let's go Sudowoodo. Let's go for the shiny one. Two more to go. What else? Yeah, why not? Let's get this one. Last one. Let's do an awesome Alakazam. Mega Alakazam. How cool. Let's do that. So even the Mega Evolutions have their own QR codes. Okay. I'm gonna sit back again. Alright, so you see it's handy having everything open in front of me. Alright, so that's been scanned. Here's what I'm gonna do. Quit. I'm not gonna use it now. I'm gonna make a save. So I saved the game. Now I'm going to use the scanner. And let's see if I find the Pokemon I need. I want, not need. I don't need it. Please let it be a Totodile. Please be a Totodile. Let's see. QR scanner. What am I doing? What did I go to? I went on the wrong thing, I think. QR scanner. Alright, here we go. You can use Island Scan. Let's do this. Island Scan. Yes, can I use it, please? It's a Squirtle! It's a Squirtle! No, it's a Cyndaquil! It's a Cyndaquil! Alright, it's in Route 3. I need to go to Route 3 right now. It's a Cyndaquil. Alright. Route 3. Where's Route 3? I need to fly. I need to fly there. Route 3, over here. Can you fly me here? Yes. I'm gonna get me a Cyndaquil. Route 3. Okay, now. Where do I go? Where do I go? Nope. I'm gonna save. In case I kill him. Just in case I kill him. Okay, let's go. Cyndaquil, come on. Show yourself. Nope, that's not Cyndaquil. I don't care if I spend an hour doing this. I'm gonna find the Cyndaquil. I thought it was Squirtle from the shadow. There it is! There it is! Ladies and gentlemen, it's Squirtle! Cyndaquil! I found him! So cute! Oh, he's adorable. Level 12. I need to be careful I don't kill him. Alright, the thing is, I'm scared to use Furious Wipes. I'm too strong. I'm level 34. Maybe if I take out Metang? Let's see. So, I don't have very good moves though. No, I'm not gonna attack. No, I'm not gonna attack. I'm just gonna start throwing Pokeballs until he decides to get caught. Let's do this. How many Ultra Balls do I have? I have 2. Alright, I'm gonna start with all the Pokeballs I have. Let's go. I'm gonna catch you, I don't care what it takes. Oh, he broke out. Oh, I'm gonna catch you, I don't care what it takes. Oh my goodness, it's not even. I don't think it's gonna be easy. Okay, at least it moved only twice now, so we're improving. Oh my goodness, Cyndaquil is gorgeous. And it's a male! I am not going to attack him, I don't want to risk. Because if he faints, that's it, it's done. It's like it's the only one on the island. He's ours. We got him. We got a Cyndaquil. Oh, fantastic, I'm so happy. Nope. So cool. I am so happy! The trace of Pokemon picked up by the island has disappeared. Yeah. Island scan ended. Now in order for me to use the scan, I need to wait another 20 hours. So tomorrow I'll play it again. And we'll go after Totodile. So I have 2 now. I have 2 starters, Johto starters. Where am I going? I should go back to the island now. So, that's Melemele Island. Kala, Hula Hula. That's where I am and where I'm supposed to go. Go. Do I need healing while I'm here? Let's heal just in case. Actually, let's check out our Cyndaquil real quick. I wanna check something. The ability is Blaze. Okay. Let's go. Now, where was I supposed to go? Downstairs, down here. Oh, yeah, this way. Mushroom. Oh, they spotted me. It's a double battle. Hey Jill, welcome. Nice to see you. I'm doing great. How is Jill? Wow, he intimidated both of us. So I'm gonna use Aqua Tail on Fletchinder, and Litten will use Flamethrower on Herdier. Try again. Jill is good. Good is good. Oh wow! And we're done. Let's go back here. I want to see what's over here. Trumbeak. Quack quack. Are you gonna let me get away? Please? Yes. I've evolved from a swimmer, so I'm a hiker who can swim. There's something over there. Gyro ball. Another Trumbeak. see those leaves around here? I heard in Kalos region there are Pokemon. I heard that in Kalos region there are Pokemon with those leaves in their mouths. Ooh. Hello, kids. Oh, this Pokemon is adorable. He's a normal type, eh? Let me take a look. He's called Stuffle? Stuffle. Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, so cute. It's a normal and fighting type, wow! And he does have an evolution. So cute! So Psychic should destroy you. There you go. Sorry, Hayden. There's nothing over here. Let's go back to... Look at this guy. Look at this guy doing the sit-ups. How cool. How cool. Fate moves mountains. I like this. Doing the sit-ups. Black Belt Clayton. You sound like a tough guy, buddy. Uh-oh, he has a Hariyama. He's Pokemon strong. Psychic. Very strong Pokemon, it's amazing. He may trash me. I knew it. Let's go with Leafeon. Couple of sand attacks. Oh no, not this. Okay. Ouch, Vulpix. Why was he affected with that move? Why was Vulpix very vulnerable to that move? Let's make some research. S-T-U-V... I don't get it. Why was he... That's very strange. Leave them. Go again. Oh my goodness, not again. Okay, your choice. Yes. Nope. Almost there, but no. I'm gonna go heal. Hang on, what's that over there? Greetings, trial goer. Let me check your collection of sea crystals. Oh. Oh, look at the blinding yellow Electrium Z. Now I guess I'll have to open the gate for you. What you face up ahead is the ghost type trial. I hope you enjoy it. Okay. Greetings, Vloggy! Well met. I was seeking you. If you're going to travel about Ula Ula, you ought to do it with while astride a mudslade, whatever. There is no call for hesitation. Consider it my thanks for Akal Island. And I registered her Mudsdale. I can't say it right. Mudsdale. Was registered to paid rate by rate pager. It was remiss of me not to register her for you when we met one another in Mali. I was just so taken aback by Lily and how lovely she was that it escaped me. By no means I was waiting for a time when you were in trouble. Nay. If you seek the next trial, go straight through here to Tapu Village. I'll be cheering for you on your island challenge. I gotta admit, friend, I do love a good Mudsdale. Okay. Nice, okay, I'm gonna use... Let's see what kind of Pokemon are here. Oh, Mudbray. Torkoal, nice. I always wanted all these Pokemon. I think they're cute. Tortuga. Ooh, sturdy. Yeah, you get each Pokemon, you get a different type for a different thing. I'll show you once I'm done with this battle. Okay, we're done. Look, basically, I have, if you look on the right side of the screen, I don't think you can see the Tauros. There's a Tauros at the top, you can't see it because of the layout. There's a Tauros for smashing rocks. Then there's the Stoutland Search. He can smell hidden items and grass and stuff. Mudsdale Gallop to get over those rocks. Lapras to swim. And Charizard to fly. So instead of the HMs, basically. This Pokemon is cute, I love it. You know what? I'm gonna attack it. There's one over there. And there's an item over there, I saw it. Ooh, these two. Yeah, I think it's better than the HMs. I think it's a great idea. But sometimes it makes you wish you had those Pokemon for battle, like Charizard. I wish I had Charizard, but I don't. It's just a rental. Look, a panda Pokemon. They're both awesome Pokemon. I love those two. Okay, let's go. So, Psychic on Pancha. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna start with Aqua Tail on Krokorok. Oh, I don't know what I just did. We'll see. No, my bad. $35. he's a fighting type. We'll see. Definitely a fighting type. There you go. No, Psyduck, not now. Ooh, look at that, the animation. Good here. Yay! I don't think there's anything up there, no? Let's find out real quick. No, nothing. Just wanted to make sure. Elekid, wow! You know what? I'm gonna catch this Elekid. If he can resist my Aqua Tail attack. Oh wow, Electro Ball. Uh-oh. He did. Static me. Alright, we're good. I'm gonna catch this. Elekid calls for help. Uh-oh. Help doesn't appear. Electabuzz! No way! Synthesis, no. Oh, not again. There we go. Let's go. Jill. It's 100%, eh? Look at my horse is amazing. The Geodude! Oh my goodness, I wanted this Geodude. It's a female. Nah. Should I look for another one? Maybe I'll find the mail. No. Let's find the male Geodude. I'll keep grinding until I find a Geodude, a male Geodude. I don't care how long it's gonna take. Now that I know that Geodudes are in this area, I'm not gonna give up. He wants to learn Giga Impact. Oh my goodness! And we're gonna change that with Body Slam, yes? Or Lick. Lick. Lick is gonna go away. It has to go away. Yes. So awesome. Now he knows the Polarizing Pancake attack. I want to try it actually now. Hold on. Let's do this. For the first time ever, Snorlax is gonna open his eyes. Here we go. There we go, Pulverizing Pancake. Let's go. So awesome! Vulpix is 47, wow. Captivate. What does Captivate do? If any opposing Pokemon in the opposite gender of the user is charmed, which harsh lowers? No. No, I don't care about that. No. Let's keep looking for Geodude. We need a Geodude. And it needs to be male. Because, dude, Geodude. Nope. I think it's a rare one. I think it's rare, the Geodude. No. Yes, please be a male. Please be a male. Oh my goodness. Female again. Oh man. What are the odds of finding a male and a female? Is it rare? Is a male rare or something? Let's see. No, it's 50%. Nothing. It's 50-50. I don't know how. Yes, another one. Okay. Another female. Come on, man. Seriously. Nope. I want that Geodude for my next team. Oh no. I'm doing some serious grinding here. Mail, 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 mail. Oh my goodness. Mail. Mail. Mail! Alright. Now we're talking. Here we go. It's gonna take forever though. An electric type Geodude is so fantastic. Oh, I can't wait. To see what I can use. Nothing. Maybe a lick. Hey Bishop, welcome. Nice to see you. I'm trying to catch this. Uh-oh, no! Oh my goodness, okay. One more. Trying to catch this Geodude. It's a special Geodude. Okay, you're good. He's calling for help? Seriously? Oh man, another Geodude. There's gonna be a male as well. No, he called his wife. You know what? I'm gonna switch now. Hold on. I want to take them all down. Right, so down? No! Not self-destruct! Are you freaking kidding me? No! Oh my goodness, he self-destructed. Oh my goodness. I don't believe this. Unbelievable. took me forever to find the male one. I have to go again. Let's see. Back to looking. Another male, okay. Oh my goodness. They're so distracting. I'm not going to give you a chance. I'm just going to throw the Pokeball right away. How many heavy balls do I have? Just one? What does it do here? Come on. Awesome! You son of a biscuit. You gave me a hard time. If you accidentally step on a Geodude sleeping on the ground, you will hear crunching sound and feel a shock ripple through your entire body. How cool, they're electric types. I like that. Cell battery. No, Zanduboka as it is. So cool. Okay. So, I'm gonna go back to healing again because... Look at the horse. What's the horse doing? Farting? I wouldn't say I'm a pro at Pokemon, but I'm okay, I guess. I will be battling Barry twice when he gets the game. We'll see how that goes. my Geodude, I'm a happy boy. Nothing here. No, this is Blush Mountain, no. We're still on this route. I think he's last trainer on this area. Porygon. You know what? I don't have time for this. I'm just gonna wipe you out. Never stood a chance. Oh, I'm switching now. Why did I not switch to Litten? I'm an idiot. Oh my goodness, it can't be switched out because he's a magnet. And he's made of iron. Oh, that's awesome. Nice one. That's it, take down. Made a very noob mistake. Yep, serves me right. For choosing the wrong Pokemon. This had to be my choice. That's it. I think that's all the Pokemon trainers here, no more. No, there's more. Hold on. Nope, 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 nope. the beach. Alright, now let's go fight that trainer. Okay, let's go. It's gonna have to be the last battle of the stream because it's 5 AM here. So I'm gonna call it after this battle. I'm gonna fight this last trainer over here. Oops, wrong way I think. Oh, wrong way. No, actually it's the right way. Oh my goodness. Oops. This way. This was the trainer, yeah? The person have completed the training, huh? Okay, let's do it. Last battle of the stream. Let's do it! Yes, 2 Pokemon. Ladian. Wow! Pinsir. And let's finish off with a big move. The grand finale. that's it. I'm the Cahul of Route 12. I've been done in. I choose the title of Route 12 Kahuna. And this as well. It's a crappy one. Alright, I'm gonna save. That's it. That's it for today. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. Alright guys, the stream ends here. Thank you all so much for being here, for hanging out and dropping the likes and stuff. I will see you tomorrow. I'm doing a stream, doing a streaming marathon, not marathon, what's it called? A stream weekend. Been streaming a lot these past few days. Anyway, thank you all so much and I'll see you guys next time.